Welcome to the SentimentML application demo. To access SentimentML, first go to the Marketplace via Google Cloud Platform. In the Marketplace, search for SentimentML. This brings you to the ML homepage, which contains detailed information about the application. To launch the solution, click on the Launch button. This brings you to the deployment page that contains all the information for the VM instance and the memory. The configuration is a basic one. Select the machine type and make sure to enable Allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Once you have finalized your configuration, click on Deploy. This will create the required services that we're using in the solution. Once the solution is deployed successfully, click on the SentimentML-1-VM. Now click on Manage Resource. This will take you to the VM instance page. Here you can see details of the VM that was deployed. For the next step, go to the VM instance. Now we will be uploading the service account to the VM instance. To do that, upload the SSH into the computer instance. Click on SSH. In order to access the application, you have to create a service account. To do that, you should go to I am an admin and click on Service Accounts. You will need a service account to interact from VM to GCS services. Fill out the required information and click Create. Now you can assign the roles. You will need 2 roles for the service account, BigQuery Admin and Storage Admin. Once you are done applying the roles, click Continue and then click Done. Now click on the service account that you just created. Click Create Key, select JSON Key and click Create. This will create a JSON key and download it to your local system. Now you can upload the service account that you just created. To do that, go to the gear icon and click Upload File. Choose the service account that you downloaded and click Open. Once the file transfer is complete, click Close and the service account will be successfully uploaded to the VM instance. Now, you will need to move the service account into the conf folder. To do that, run the mv command. Next, set up the environment variables for your Google application credentials. To do that, you will need to get the absolute path of the service account. Once you get the absolute path of the service account, open the etc environment in an editor. Here you can see we are using Nano Editor for demonstration purposes. You will need to set up a Google application credentials environment variable to the service account JSON-K absolute path. The service account is now activated successfully, and you can now access the application. To access the application, click on External IP. This will open the application in your browser. Enter the default login credentials and click Submit. Here you can see that there are 4 sections: New Datasets, Datasets, Sentiment Analysis, and Visualization. To get started, go to the New Dataset section. Give this file a name, upload the file, and click Submit. The uploaded file will go to Vision API, and the text will be extracted from the file. Here you can see that the status is uploaded. To see the output, click Product Data. Here you can see the sample file that was uploaded. Next, select the attributes for the corresponding columns and click Next. Make sure to cross-check to confirm that the attributes of the target column are mapped to the dataset column and click Submit. Here you can see that the status has been changed to Mapped. Next, go to the Sentiment Analysis section and click New Analysis. Choose a name for your dataset and click Submit. You can see that the status has now been updated to Completed. This completes the sentiment analysis stage. To see the output, click on Product Analysis. Here you can see the prediction result of each product. Finally, to visualize the data, click on Visualization. Choose your dataset, and you will see the sentiment analysis across products. You can see all the products' IDs and the data associated with each. For example, the number of negative comments, positive comments, the polarity score, and the average score. You are now up and running with Sentiment ML. Thank you for watching this demo.